Which Jain Tirthankara is considered the founder of Jainism? Answer. Lord Mahavira. Lord Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara, is regarded as the founder of modern Jainism. Though Jainism existed before him, Mahavira reformed and revived the religion in the 6th century BCE. What is the central teaching of Buddhism? Answer. The Four Noble Truths. Buddhism's core philosophy revolves around the Four Noble Truths which explain the nature of suffering and the path to its cessation. Which Guru founded Sikhism? Answer. Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Nanak Dev founded Sikhism in the 15th century in the Punjab region. His teachings laid the foundation for the new religion. What are the three jewels of Jainism? Answer. Right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. These three principles form the core of Jain ethics, emphasizing the importance of a truthful and ethical life. What is the Buddhist term for the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth? Answer. Samsara. Samsara refers to the continuous cycle of life and death in Buddhism, which one seeks to escape by attaining nirvana. Who is regarded as the preserver of the universe in Hinduism? Answer. Lord Vishnu. Vishnu, one of the principal deities in Hinduism, is known as the preserver who maintains the balance of the universe. What is the Sikh concept of selfless service? Answer. Seva. Seva in Sikhism is the concept of selfless service performed without any expectation of reward, symbolizing humility and equality. What is the Buddhist state of ultimate liberation called? Answer. Nirvana. Nirvana is the ultimate goal in Buddhism, representing the cessation of suffering and liberation from the cycle of samsara. Who compiled the Sikh holy scripture, Guru Granth Sahib? Answer. Guru Arjan Dev. The fifth Sikh Guru, Guru Arjan Dev, compiled the Guru Granth Sahib, which contains the teachings of the Sikh Gurus and other saints. What is the term used in Jainism for the soul? Answer. Jiva. In Jainism, Jiva refers to the soul, which is eternal and can attain liberation through right living. What is the Sikh place of worship called? Answer. Gurdwara. A Gurdwara is the Sikh place of worship where Sikhs gather for prayer, community meals, langar, and to listen to the Guru Granth Sahib. Which Jain Tirthankara is represented with a lion symbol? Answer. Lord Mahavira. The lion is the emblem of Lord Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara, representing courage and leadership. What is the Buddhist teaching on moderation known as? Answer. The Middle Path. The Middle Path, advocated by the Buddha, emphasizes avoiding extremes of self-indulgence and self-mortification for a balanced and harmonious life. What is the most sacred text of Hinduism, considered a compilation of hymns and prayers? Answer. The Vedas. The Vedas are the oldest and most authoritative scriptures in Hinduism, containing hymns, philosophy, and guidance on rituals. Who was the 10th and last human guru in Sikhism? Answer. Guru Gobind Singh. Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru, established the Khalsa and declared the Guru Granth Sahib as the eternal Guru. What is the Jain festival of fasting and forgiveness called? Answer. Paryushana. Paryushana is an important Jain festival where devotees observe fasting, introspection, and ask for forgiveness from others for any harm caused. What is the name of the prayer in Sikhism that describes the nature of God? Answer. Mool Mantar. The Mool Mantar is the opening verse of the Guru Granth Sahib and describes the fundamental attributes of God in Sikhism. Who is considered the first Jain Tirthankara? Answer. Rishabhnath Adinatha. Rishabhnath, also known as Adinatha, is regarded as the first Tirthankara in Jainism and is believed to have lived millions of years ago. What is the core principle of Sikhism that emphasizes living an honest life? Answer. Kirat Kani. Kirat Kani is one of the three key principles of Sikhism, which means earning an honest living and contributing to the community. What is the Buddhist doctrine that states everything is interconnected and nothing exists independently? Answer. Dependent origination, Pratityasamutpada. Dependent origination is a fundamental Buddhist doctrine that explains how all things are interconnected, and nothing exists in isolation. Everything arises dependent on causes and conditions. Who is the founder of the Digambara sect of Jainism? Answer. Bhadrabahu. Bhadrabahu is considered the founder of the Digambara sect of Jainism, which believes in complete renunciation, including the abandonment of clothing by monks.